Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a full, detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800, the ultra-luxury SUV that sits at the pinnacle of comfort, performance, technology, and refinement. This isn't just any SUV, it's Mercedes-Maybach's statement of how truly indulgent and sophisticated a large luxury SUV can be in 2026, from its impressive presence on the road to its sumptuous interior and powerhouse performance. The Maybach GLS 800 is designed for those who want the very best of everything. In this review, we'll explore every aspect: exterior styling, interior experience, performance, tech and safety systems, pricing, and even a few suggestions that could take this SUV even further. Let's get into it. From the very first moment you see the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800, its presence commands attention. The exterior design blends majestic elegance with a subtle but unmistakable sense of purpose. Up front, the signature Maybach grille is larger and more pronounced than on standard GLS models. The vertical chrome slats, oversized Mercedes star, and deep-set LED headlights give the SUV a distinguished and regal face. The headlights themselves use advanced digital LED technology with adaptive high beams and a unique lighting signature that's crisp, modern, and unmistakably MOYBACH. Moving around the side. The long wheelbase and tall stance create an SUV that feels balanced yet bold. The sculpted bodylines are refined rather than aggressive, with a smooth, flowing silhouette that emphasizes luxury over sportiness. Chrome accents around the windows, Maybach-specific badging, and large multi-spoke alloy wheels, typically 21 or 22 inches, give the GLS 800 an upscale look without feeling ostentatious. The long roofline and slightly raked rear glass blend classic SUV proportions with a hint of coupe-like elegance, marrying utility with grace. At the rear, the design continues with a cohesive lighting signature, wide LED taillights that wrap gently around the sides and communicate width and presence. The integrated rear spoiler is subtle yet functional, improving aerodynamics without detracting from elegance. Dual or optional quad chrome exhaust outlets are integrated into the rear bumper, combining visual refinement with a promise of the performance underneath. The large tailgate opens wide for easy access to the cargo area, and the GLS 800 often includes features like hands-free tailgate operation, integrated cargo lighting, and optional power deployable load floor steps that make loading and unloading effortless. Step inside the 2026 Maybach GLS 800 and you immediately feel the difference. This is a sanctuary on wheels. The interior cabin has been crafted with an obsessive focus on luxury, comfort, and detail. Everywhere you look and touch, premium materials abound. Buttery soft Napa leather wraps the seats, dashboard, door panels, and even the armrests. Real open-pore wood trim, polished metal accents, and diamond quilted seat patterns elevate the ambiance to a level that few vehicles can match. The front seats are masterpieces in themselves. Multi-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and massage functions come standard. Higher trims add a more advanced massage experience with multiple programs targeting different muscle groups, perfect for long trips or after a tiring day. The Maybach logo is embroidered into the headrests, reminding you that you're in something special every time you settle into the seat. The rear seating area in the GLS 800 is where the luxury really shines. While many SUVs focus on front seat comfort, the Maybach treats rear passengers as first-class occupants. Rear seats are individually adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available. Some configurations even include executive rear seat packages with power reclining seats, leg rests, and a built-in comfort box. Imagine airline-style luxury right in your SUV. That's the reality here. Between the rear seats, you'll find a center console with storage, cue folders, climate controls, and even an optional rear infotainment screen that passengers can use independently of the front display. The dashboard and center console are thoughtfully laid out for ease of use. A large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, handling navigation, media, connectivity, vehicle settings, and more. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the interface supports voice control, touchscreen inputs, and intuitive touchpad controls near the center armrest. Physical buttons remain for climate and quick access functions, giving a combination of modern tech and tactile usability. Behind the steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather and finished with metal accents, is a fully digital instrument cluster that's clear, customizable, and rich with information. You can display everything from speed and navigation cues to performance data and suspension settings. The steering wheel also features integrated controls for audio, cruise control, drive modes, phone, and voice commands. Now let's talk about performance and driving experience. And here is where the 2026 Maybach GLS 800 truly impresses. Powering this luxury SUV is a hand-built AMG-enhanced twin-turbo V8 engine, often paired with an integrated starter generator, ISG, as part of a mild hybrid system. This powertrain produces exhilarating horsepower and torque figures that rival many high-performance sports cars, yet delivers silky smooth power delivery that feels effortless at any speed. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is brisk for a vehicle of this size. And power delivery is strong throughout the RPM range. The transmission is an advanced automatic unit with smooth, responsive shifts that complement the hybrid-enhanced powertrain. The result is an SUV that feels refined and composed in everyday driving, yet capable and responsive when you want performance. The mild hybrid system adds a layer of efficiency and smoothness, helping to deliver better fuel economy and instant torque assist during acceleration. Handling in the Maybach GLS 800 remains composed despite its size. The suspension system is adaptive and tuned for a supremely smooth ride. On highway cruising, imperfections in the road are absorbed with little disruption to the cabin, and body roll is minimized when cornering. The SUV feels planted and confident thanks to its adaptive air suspension, which can raise or lower depending on driving conditions. In Sport or Sport Plus modes, the suspension firms slightly for more dynamic driving. While Comfort or Maybach-specific modes prioritize serenity and poise. Off-road capability isn't the primary focus for the Maybach GLS 800, but advanced traction systems, all-wheel drive, and terrain-adaptive technologies mean it can handle gravel roads, wet surfaces, snow, and light trails with confidence. The focus remains squarely on combining capability with opulence. The performance is there when you want it, but luxury and refinement are always at the forefront. Safety and driver assist technology in the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 are top-tier and comprehensive. Standard and available systems include adaptive cruise control with steering assist, lane keeping assist and lane departure prevention blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert active emergency braking with pedestrian detection, traffic sign recognition 360-degree camera system with parking assist, night vision assist on higher trims, head-up display with augmented reality navigation. These systems help make highway driving safer and reduce fatigue on long journeys. The augmented reality head-up display is especially impressive. Navigation cues and vital information appear integrated into the road ahead, minimizing eye movement and enhancing situational awareness. Tech features in the GLS 800 go beyond safety. Premium audio systems, often from brands like Burmester, deliver rich, immersive sound throughout the cabin. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and over-the-air software updates ensure connectivity and convenience. Rear seat entertainment systems with dual screens and individualized controls make backseat journeys even more enjoyable. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 is at the top of the luxury SUV segment. Base pricing reflects its premium position, packed with standard features and advanced tech. Mid-range trims add more customization options, larger wheels, premium interior packages, panoramic sunroofs, advanced audio systems, and exclusive paint options. Higher trims and bespoke packages push the GLS 800 into ultra-luxury territory with handcrafted touches, exclusive leather and trim options, and enhanced comfort or chauffeur packages. While the price tag is premium, it's in line with what buyers expect for this level of luxury, performance, and refinement. If there are areas where the 2026 Maybach GLS 800 could improve, a few suggestions come to mind. First, offering even more interior personalization options, such as alternate contrast stitching themes, bespoke ambient lighting schemes, or unique trim materials, would let buyers tailor their SUVs further. Second, integrating more advanced off-road visualization technology, even if rarely used, would enhance confidence for buyers venturing onto mixed surfaces. Third, while rear comfort is exemplary, an optional rear seat entertainment system with interactive screens and connectivity for video calls or web browsing could further elevate long-distance passenger experience. Even with those suggestions, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 stands out as one of the most refined, comfortable, powerful, and feature-packed SUVs on the market. It successfully blends regal luxury with modern performance and technology, making it an ideal choice for executives, families, world travelers, and luxury enthusiasts alike. Whether you're cruising through city,